if this is your very first time here, please make sure that you do hit subscribe below so that you are updated every time that I come out with a new video. And for all my new people, what's up? What's good? How you doing? Come on in, take a seat. Today I have this video for you guys. This look is very Maya Galore-ish because it's extra, it's colorful, it's glitter, it's all of that good stuff that I obviously am becoming known for, which is fine because you only live once, right? Whatever. So I planned for this video to be a get ready with me type of situation. However, it kind of turned into half tutorial, half get ready with me. But that's fine, you know? It is what it is. If you want to see how I get this look, then go ahead and keep watching. I'll see y'all at the end. For this look, I just felt real colorful, so we're just gonna make it extra AF today, which is my usual, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Creamy Beige. And as I've said before, I am going to go ahead and use a lighter color so that the brighter colors will pop on my complexion. With my Morphe 35S palette, which obviously is my favorite palette to use for color, I'm going to go into this pink color right here and put that into the crease. And I am going to bring this color a little higher because I'm going to put a few more crease colors into this, so I do want it all to blend into this pink. So from there, I'm going to go into this purple color from the same palette, and I'm going to put that into my crease as well, like right underneath that pink. And then after that step, I'm going to go into this blue, like a deeper blue color in this palette, and I'm going to put that even closer to the crease. So y'all, let me tell you something that gets on my nerves, and this is the most random thing ever. Do y'all ever have dudes like try to holler at you, but they try to like act like it's for a different reason? So I had this dude come up to me yesterday, and he was like, "Hey, what's up, little mama? You know, how you doing? How you doing?" And I'm like, "I'm doing fine, sir. How are you?" Because that's the voice I changed to when, you know, randoms try to holler at me. "Hi, how you doing? How are you?" You know, my church girl voice. And then he's gonna try to sell me a Macy's gift card. I was like, "I hope you shop at Macy's. You know, I can give you this gift card or whatever." And I'm like, "Sorry, sir. You know, I'm not interested." Then he's like, "Oh, okay, that's fine, but you know, you fine though. You think I can get your number?" "No, sir, I'm sorry. You cannot have my number because I have a man." And he's like, "Oh, that's cool, you know, we could be friends." I'm telling you, boy, I swear, I feel like it's some type of school or some type of seminar they all went to and was like, "Look, this is how you get the girls who got boyfriends. But as soon as you say this, they're gonna be like, 'Oh yeah, I'll be your friend.' No, I don't want to be your friend." Back to the makeup. So before I start my halo area, I am going to go ahead and try to create some kind of a gradient on the lid. So that blue color is the first thing I'm going to use, and I'm going to put that right on the edges. And then this is where we're going to change into a different palette. I am going to be using my Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, and I am going to go into the color Fun to See. And I'm going to place that right next to that dark blue, and I am going to spray my brush as well because the colors on this palette come through real strong and real popping with a wet brush. And then right next to that color, I'm going to go in with Dusk Till Dawn, and that's actually going to cover up the rest of the lid. And this is the color that we're going to use to create the halo. Then from there, I am going to take a clean brush just to make sure all of that is blended out the way I need it to be. And then from there, we're going to go in with some glitter because y'all know me. You know that I like things to be just a little bit more. We can leave it like this, and that would be nice. But it'll be even nicer if we add a little glitter, a little shine, a little pop, you know? Let's do that. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna put that directly where I want the glitter. And then with that same brush, I'm gonna dip into my NYX metallic glitter, and I'm going to place that right over that. Then from there, I'm gonna go into my Pretty Vulgar, the ink liner, and I'm gonna line my eye. And I swear, this is like one of the best gel liners I've ever used. I love it. I just love how easy it is to manage. Then I'm going to prep my natural lashes for my falsies. I'm going to use my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. And the falsies that I'm wearing today are the Ardell Double Up Lashes. So I felt like it's been forever since I've actually sat down and done my face in front of you guys. So I think that's what we're going to do today. And let's see how quickly we can get through this without me blabbing off at the mouth, you know? Because that's not always the easiest thing to do in the world for me, I'm just saying. So I do have a full coverage foundation routine posted on my channel, but it is to me a little bit outdated. So I am planning on doing an updated video on my routine So I'm not about to get too deep into this with y'all. You know, if you do want to see the products that I use though, everything will be listed down in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out before I post that video. So guys, one thing I did want to mention is that I am very grateful because I am almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really excited about that. So once I do hit that number, I do plan on doing a giveaway. So make sure you're on the lookout for that. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. For those of you who are watching this and are not subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed so that you are updated when I do drop the details of that giveaway. I feel like talking, y'all. What y'all want to talk about? Like, I just want to talk about something. I did try to get out 2 videos for you guys before I even posted this one, but you know, it just wasn't working out. For some reason, I just couldn't get my files to act right. I couldn't get my computer to act right. I couldn't get my adapter to act right. It was just a lot going on. So I'm trying my best to get you guys more videos out for the week. Just know that your girl is trying. Yeah, I'm so sad my boyfriend not coming back right now. Like, I know he wants to work again, but just come be with me, you know? Just come be with me, like, all the time. That sounds real stalkerish. But hey, sometimes you just gotta let them know how much you love them. And or want to stalk their life, you know, whatever. But one person that is here, who is always here, is Amirah. And if you don't know who Amirah is my 7-year-old daughter. And just always assume that she's in the room. Even though today she is in my room, so she's not necessarily in the room per se. But she's in the house, you know. I bet you if I screamed her name real loud, she could hear me. Amirah! That was you. There she is. So for my under eye, I do want to get slightly dramatic. I usually don't. I usually just put one color under there, but I think today I want to do a little bit more drama. We're gonna do like an ombre type of situation. I think so. Oh no. Let's just see how we feel. For the under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this blue color from my 35S palette. Let's just go ahead and smudge that on the bottom. And I really don't like that. So I'm actually gonna go on top of that with this other purple, this purple color that's in here. I'm gonna replace that. And then right next to that, I'm gonna put in a little bit of that blue. Yeah, I'm trying my best not to make faces, but that is all that I wanna do right now. And I can't help it, so just don't talk about me. Then from there, I am going to go into my Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, go back into Dusk Till Dawn, and I'm going to put that on my inner corners. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of glitter where I put that Dusk Till Dawn, just to kind of make it the same color as the blue on top. And then I'm going to line my eye with my gel liner that I used earlier, and then I'm going to add my mascara. The highlight that I have been using a lot lately is my ShaylaxColourpop highlighter, which is in Pose, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight as usual. So for lips today, I think I'm going to go ahead with my Maybelinne SuperStay Matte Ink, and this is in the color Creator. And we're done. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye.